So no glinting objects over here, which means we've pretty much found everything that we could find from this angle. Phew, excuse me. Oh. I think I got it. Okay.
You know, Sam.
Sorry.
Yes, Josh.
I just wanted to say,
What?
it really means a lot to me that everyone came back this year, and you know, that you came, Sam.
No stuff's in this hovel though, so let's keep looking around for peeps. Anybody up there? No. Phew, excuse me, I had to sneeze. Whew, excuse me. Okay, moving on. Let's get in here. Look around. Phew, excuse me again. Sorry, guys. Whew. Stuffs.
How far down does it go? All the way to the sea caves.
Good night.
Maybe she fell.
Oh, excuse me. I have to sneeze. Wait for it.
I don't think so.
I think I fought it off. Nope. Phew, excuse me. Woo. Okay, I'm good. Get down. Get down. All right, don't get down. Whatever. I will loot this guy though. And what if I shot this guy? Phew, excuse me. I knew it was gonna happen again. I almost called it, but I didn't. I forgot.
Hey, what the hell? There she is.
No, don't see me. Oh.
This is so awkward.
Where do those stairs go?
I don't know.
Real helpful, Frank. I mean, will I get a better view of the band up there?
How the fuck should I know? Floor above's
Excuse me.
rotted all to hell, okay? No one goes up there.
Fine.
Oh,
I'll see you later.
Whatever.
excuse me. Here we go. Let's hope the floor doesn't fall in on us. Hey. Excuse me. Ugh. To be fair, we are little, so hopefully that will help.
For a little while.
Take it easy.
Take it easy.
That's what I said.
Hey, you're the one always going on about laying low.
And you always brush me off.
Phew, excuse me.
I won't this time.
Where are we supposed to go?
I believe it when I see it.
There, through there. Okay, got it. Through here, I guess. Yikes. Don't like it. Okay, okay. Hey, phew, excuse me. Whew. Okay, now what?
Whoa.
Well, looks like we got ourselves another trial.
Pretty.
That sure looks like it. Let's see what these do.
Hey, excuse me. Oh boy. Now I gotta find the underwater treasure. Oh, look, a fishy! Hello, fishy.
Look up. We're in some kind of cenote.
I have to sneeze. Look up. Excuse me. Pardon me. I just had to sneeze. Where's the treasure? E? I'm a little scared to swim around too much because, last time did not go well for me. Oh no.
Over here.
What is this? A jeweled pipe mouthpiece. I could put that together with my hookah bowl. Ah, aha, beautiful.
Coming.
Lovely. Ugh, excuse me for a moment as I allow my eyes to clear from the sneeze. Thanks. Thanks, guys. Everybody's like, bless you. Thank you. Bless you.